Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Zai Crypto Boy. Today we're diving into a fascinating and somewhat under the radar project, Virtual's protocol ticker symbol Virtual. What makes this project stand out is its unique combination of two of the hottest trends in crypto right now, AI agents and tokenized ownership with Web3 monetization. In this video, we'll break down what Virtual's protocol is, why it could matter, the current state of its token, and then explore long-term price predictions all the way to 2030. Remember, this isn't financial advice, always do your own research. Let's get started and see what makes this project so intriguing. Start with the basics. Virtual's protocol is a blockchain project that enables the creation, deployment, and co-ownership of autonomous AI agents. Imagine virtual characters, bots, or digital entertainers that can exist across games, social media, and virtual worlds. This isn't just about creating a token for speculation. It's about building a real economy where AI agents can interact, monetize, and create value for their owners. The project aims to bridge the gap between Web 2 and Web 3, blending entertainment, gaming, and social media with metaverse experiences. It's an ambitious vision that could reshape how we think about digital ownership and AI. One of the core pillars of Virtual's protocol is AI agent creation and deployment. Users or developers can define an AI agent's personality and behavior, then deploy it across various platforms, whether that's in games, chat apps, streaming services, or more. This flexibility allows for a wide range of use cases from digital entertainers to customer service bots. The idea is to make these agents not just functional, but also engaging and valuable across different digital environments. By enabling easy creation and deployment, Virtual's protocol opens the door for innovation and creativity in the AI space. Another standout feature is tokenized ownership. In Virtual's protocol, AI agents become tokenized assets, meaning multiple token holders can share in both the ownership and the revenue generated by these agents. This model allows for co-ownership, where the success of an AI agent directly benefits its token holders. It's a new way to think about digital assets, one that ties value to real-world performance and engagement, rather than just speculation. This approach could attract a wide range of participants, from developers to investors, all looking to benefit from the growth of the AI agent economy. Revenue generation model is central to Virtual's protocol's value proposition. AI agents perform tasks, interact with users, and provide services, earning fees or inference revenue. This income is then distributed back to token holders, creating a direct link between agent activity and investor returns. If the ecosystem grows and these agents become widely used, the potential for revenue and thus token value could be significant. This model incentivizes both the creation of high-quality agents and active participation in the network, aligning interests across the community. Virtual's protocol is built on scalable blockchain infrastructure, utilizing chains like Base and potentially others. This technical foundation is designed to support high-throughput and low-cost transactions, which are essential for deploying and managing large numbers of AI agents. By leveraging robust blockchain technology, Virtual's protocol aims to ensure security, transparency, and scalability as the ecosystem grows. This technical backbone is a key enabler for the project's ambitious goals and could help it stand out in a crowded market. One of the most exciting aspects of Virtual's protocol is its potential to bridge Web 2 and Web 3. By enabling AI agents to operate across traditional entertainment, gaming, and social media platforms, as well as emerging metaverse environments, the project could create new opportunities for interaction and monetization. This cross-platform approach not only expands the reach of AI agents, but also brings together different communities and user bases. If successful, Virtual's protocol could become a key player in the evolution of digital entertainment and ownership. Let's take a look at the fundamentals. As of now, Virtual's protocol has a circulating supply of around 650 to 660 million tokens, out of a total maximum supply of 1 billion. This means a significant portion of the tokens are already in the market, but there is still room for future unlocks. Understanding the token supply is crucial for evaluating potential price movements and dilution risks. The current supply dynamics set the stage for how the token might perform as adoption grows or if new tokens are released. Currently, Virtual's protocol boasts a market cap of around $1 billion, give or take, depending on daily price fluctuations. This positions it as a mid-cap crypto project with significant room for growth if adoption accelerates. Market cap is a key metric for understanding the project's scale and potential upside. As more users and developers join the ecosystem, and as AI agents become more widely used, the market cap could see substantial increases, assuming the fundamentals remain strong. Tokenomics of Virtual's protocol revolve around the tokenization of AI agents. When you create an agent, you can allocate tokens that represent ownership shares or assets. This structure allows for flexible co-ownership and aligns incentive between creators, investors, and users. The model is designed to reward those who contribute to the ecosystem, whether by building agents or supporting their growth. Understanding these tokenomics is essential for anyone considering an investment, as it impacts both potential rewards and risks. Revenue model is straightforward but powerful. As AI agents generate revenue through their activities, whether that's providing services, interacting with users, or performing tasks, those earnings are distributed to token holders. This creates a direct link between the success of the agents and the value of the tokens. If adoption takes off and agents become widely used, the revenue potential could be significant. However, this also means that token value is closely tied to real-world performance, not just speculation. Virtual's protocol operates at the intersection of AI, Web3, and gaming metaverse sectors. This is a high-growth area, but it's also highly competitive and rapidly evolving. Many projects are vying for attention in this space, each with their own approach to AI and tokenization. For Virtual's protocol to succeed, it will need to differentiate itself through technology, user experience, and community engagement. The competitive landscape is both a challenge and an opportunity for those who can innovate and execute effectively. There are several strengths to highlight. If the AI agent economy scales, Virtual's protocol offers a real unlock, not just a speculative token, but one tied to actual economic activity. Being early in what could become a new paradigm of tokenized digital workers and agents is a significant advantage. The narrative of owning a piece of an AI agent resonates strongly within Web3 circles, potentially attracting both developers and investors looking for the next big thing in crypto. Of course, there are risks and weaknesses to consider. Execution risk is significant. Delivering the technology, attracting users, and making agents meaningfully revenue-generating is no small feat. There's also adoption risk. Even with strong tech, the market may not embrace tokenized AI agents as anticipated. Tokenomics, dilution, and supply risk are real concerns, especially if many tokens unlock or agents fail to monetize. Finally, broader macro and crypto market risks can impact performance, regardless of the project's fundamentals. Let's shift to the current technical and market state. As of 2025, Virtual is trading around $1.50 with a circulating supply of about 655 million tokens. Earlier in January 2025, it reached an all-time high of over $5. This shows that while there's been significant interest, the token has pulled back from its peak. The market is cautious, reflecting both the potential and the uncertainties surrounding adoption and future growth. Looking at price prediction algorithms, such as those from CoinCodex, we see a range of possible outcomes. For 2030, some algorithms suggest a high end of around $2.67. These models are based on current data and trends, but they can't account for future adoption or major shifts in the market. While algorithms provide a useful reference, they should be just one part of your research toolkit when evaluating long-term potential. Real upside for Virtual depends on adoption and usage. If the ecosystem grows and more users deploy and interact with AI agents, there's potential for strong price appreciation. However, without that growth, the token could remain range-bound or even decline. The project's success hinges on its ability to attract developers, users, and partners who see value in tokenized AI agents. Let's talk long-term price predictions, starting with the base case scenario. If the AI agent economy grows steadily and achieves modest mainstream traction by 2027, Virtual could move from around $1.50 now to $3.00 by the end of 2027. By 2030, if things go well but not spectacularly, the token could be in the $5.08 range. This scenario assumes steady growth and adoption without any major setbacks or explosive breakthroughs. The base case scenario: if the circulating supply stays between 650 and 700 million tokens, a $5 price would put the market cap at around $3.03 to $4.5 billion. This would represent significant growth from current levels, but it's still within the realm of possibility if adoption continues and the ecosystem matures. Market cap projections help frame expectations and set realistic targets for investors. Now let's consider the bull case. If Virtual's protocol becomes a major platform for AI agents across games, social media, and the metaverse, and if mainstream brands join in, the token could hit $10.15 by 2028 or 2029. By 2030, in this scenario, Virtual could reach $20.30 or even higher, especially if token supply tightens or new utility emerges. This outcome would require exceptional execution and widespread adoption. The bull case: the market cap could soar to $15 billion or more. This would put Virtual's protocol among the top crypto projects, reflecting both high adoption and strong network effects. Achieving this level would require not only technical success, but also broad market acceptance and possibly new partnerships or integrations with major platforms. The flip side: let's look at the bear or conservative case. If adoption is weak, competition dominates the market, or token utility doesn't expand, Virtual may drift or fall, staying in the $0.50 range through 2030. In this scenario, the market cap would likely remain under $2 billion. This outcome highlights the importance of execution and market fit in determining long-term value. Personally, I lean somewhere between the base and mild bull case. I believe Virtual's protocol has the potential to reach $8.12 by 2030 if execution and adoption go well. However, this is far from guaranteed. For those aiming higher, a stretch target of $20 is possible and an exceptional outcome. It's important to set realistic expectations and recognize the speculative nature of these predictions. These price predictions are based on several key assumptions: no major dilution or token unlocks that swamp demand, a favorable macro and crypto market environment, and the project capturing a meaningful share of the AI agent ecosystem. Any deviation from these assumptions could significantly impact outcomes, so it's important to monitor these factors over time. It's crucial to remember that all of these scenarios are speculative. Past performance is no guarantee of future results, and the crypto market is known for its volatility. While the potential upside is exciting, the risks are real and should not be underestimated. Always approach these predictions with caution and a clear understanding of the uncertainties involved. Given your interest in long-term crypto projects, especially those with growth potential, here are some strategic notes for Virtual. If you believe in the project's thesis, consider accumulating gradually using a dollar-cost averaging DCA strategy rather than going all in at once. This approach helps manage risk and smooths out price volatility over time. It's important to set clear targets for your investment. For example, if you buy at around $1.50, you might set a target of $10 by 2030, which would be a 6-7 times return. If the token reaches $20, that's a 13 times return. Having predefined targets helps you stay disciplined and avoid emotional decision-making as prices fluctuate. Risk management is key in any crypto investment. Decide in advance what you consider a failure, such as if the project hasn't gained traction by 2026, and be prepared to exit or pivot your strategy. You can also set a stop loss if you want to limit downside risk. Having a plan in place helps you navigate the ups and downs of the market more confidently. Keep a close eye on the fundamentals, the number of active AI agents, revenue generated, partnerships, and adoption metrics. These indicators will drive the real value of the token over time. By staying informed and tracking key metrics, you can make more informed decisions and adjust your strategy as needed. Remember that broader crypto market risks can impact even the best projects. If the overall market drops sharply, Virtual's protocol could suffer alongside other tokens. Always factor in macro trends and market sentiment when making investment decisions. Diversification and risk management are your best tools for navigating this volatile space. To wrap up, Virtual's protocol is a compelling project that aims to tokenize AI agents and merge gaming, entertainment, and Web3. It offers high upside if everything goes right, but also comes with significant risks related to execution and adoption. Understanding both the opportunities and the challenges is essential for anyone considering an investment. A based bull target for 2030 sits around $8.12, with a stretch target of $20 or more in the best-case scenario. These targets reflect a balance between optimism and realism, taking into account both the project's potential and the risks involved. As always, these are just estimates and should not be taken as guarantees. Virtual's protocol represents an exciting intersection of AI and Web3, with the potential to reshape how we think about digital ownership and monetization. While the upside is significant, the path to success is filled with challenges. Staying informed, managing risk, and setting clear goals are the best ways to navigate this evolving landscape. As always, remember that this video is not financial advice. It's important to do your own research, understand the risks, and make decisions that fit your personal investment goals and risk tolerance. The crypto space is dynamic and unpredictable, so staying proactive and informed is key. The strength of any crypto project often lies in its community. Engaged users, developers, and investors can drive adoption, provide feedback, and help shape the project's direction. If you're interested in Virtual's protocol, consider joining community channels and staying updated on the latest developments. Partnerships and integrations with other platforms can be a major growth driver for Virtual's protocol. Whether it's collaborations with gaming companies, social media platforms, or other blockchain projects, these alliances can expand the reach and utility of AI agents. Keep an eye out for announcements and new partnerships as the project evolves. Vibrant developer ecosystem is crucial for the long-term success of Virtual's protocol. Developers create new AI agents, build tools, and contribute to the platform's growth. The more active and engaged the developer community, the more innovative and valuable the ecosystem becomes. Supporting and attracting talented developers should be a top priority for the project. User experience will play a big role in determining the adoption of Virtual's protocol. If deploying and interacting with AI agents is easy and rewarding, more users will join and participate. The project's success depends not just on technology, but also on delivering a seamless and enjoyable experience for everyone involved. Regulation is an ever-present factor in the crypto space. Changes in laws or enforcement could impact Virtual's protocol's operations, tokenomics, or user base. Staying informed about regulatory developments and ensuring compliance will be important for the project's long-term viability and growth. Broader macroeconomic trends such as interest rates, global economic health, and overall crypto sentiment can influence Virtual's protocol's performance. Even strong projects can be affected by market downturns or shifts in investor sentiment. Keeping an eye on the bigger picture helps you make more informed investment decisions. Virtual's protocol is at the forefront of innovation, combining AI, blockchain, and tokenized ownership in new ways. The future potential is vast, from new types of digital work to entirely new forms of entertainment and interaction. Staying curious and open to new developments will help you spot opportunities as the project evolves. While past performance isn't a guarantee of future results, it can offer valuable lessons. Studying how similar projects have evolved, succeeded, or failed can provide insights into what to watch for with Virtual's protocol. Use history as a guide, but always be prepared for new twists and turns in the crypto space. The crypto world moves fast. Staying updated on news, developments, and community discussions is essential for making informed decisions. Follow official channels, join community groups, and keep learning as the project and the broader market evolve. To sum up, Virtual's protocol is a bold project aiming to bring AI agents and tokenized ownership to the forefront of Web3. The potential rewards are high, but so are the risks. By understanding the fundamentals, setting clear goals, and managing risk, you can position yourself to take advantage of opportunities as they arise. Thanks for joining me for this deep dive into Virtual's protocol. If you found this breakdown helpful, be sure to stay tuned for more insights and updates on emerging crypto projects. Keep learning, stay curious, and I'll catch you in the next video.